Hello traders, this is Dion. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and join my free Telegram channel in the description below. Alright, so in this video, I want to show you how easily you can identify a single candle order block. So this single candle order block, I'm just talking about a candle that has a high probability of price reacting to it. If you are looking for trade reversals, those areas where you are trying to look for entries, especially a single candle order block is one of the ways that you can look for those trading opportunities. All right, so this single candle order block is a three candle pattern. I'm talking about a three candle pattern. So you have, first you need one candle. So this is the first candle. This first candle is the one that you need liquidity to be swept. When I say liquidity to be swept, I mean by this. You need this candle's low. This one is a bullish single candle order block. So you need this candle's low to be swept here. Like that. Okay. So when this candle sweeps the previous candle's low, it is not yet a single candle order. This is not yet a single candle order block. It only becomes a single candle order block when you have another candle that closes above this candle's high here. This candle should close with a full body candle above there. All right. So this second candle, this is the one that we have to consider as a single candle order block. So like I said, it's a three candle pattern. Okay, so if you just stick to the end, I don't want you to miss anything because it's not always that it forms this easily. This can also work as a hidden single candle order block. There are times where you can't even see it, but it's already there. You are just missing it. You see price reacting to a certain area. You don't know why it's reacting to that certain area. In most cases, there's a single candle order block that is just hidden. All right, so just stick to the end. Okay, so this candle that confirms this candle as a single candle order block. This is the third candle that I'm talking about. So you can just mark that. This can be called the confirmation candle because it's the one that confirms this candle as a single candle order block. I'm talking about this candle right here, guys. This is the candle I'm talking about. Okay. All right. So when it comes to these candles, guys, you need to be very careful. Just like anything else, you can be mistaken. Okay. What you need first of all is if you are trying to look for an area for entry and then you've already identified a single candle order block, make sure that it hasn't been mitigated, especially on the lower time frames. Make sure it hasn't been mitigated. What I mean by mitigated is that there's no candle that went back like this. Let's say the market was going to the upside and it has already tested this candle here, okay, and then has already gone up there. All right, you don't need to use this like way too much. All right, like maybe the market can come back again, but since this has already been used up, price has already used this single candle order block, price always has somewhere that it needs to react. So since this has already been used up already, there may be maybe a fair value gap below this single candle order block that the price may uh, be looking forward to reacting to. Okay, so you need to be careful when it comes to that. Again, in the bearish scenario, it's just the same thing. So let me mark this first. So scope is just single candle order block in short. Okay. In the bearish scenario, it's the same thing. First, you need the first candle that needs whose liquidity has to be swept. So this is the first candle that we are talking about. And liquidity has already been swept here, as you can tell. Liquidity has been swept here. So this candle swept this previous candle's high. Okay. In the bullish scope, we are looking for a candle that's going to sweep the previous candle's low. But here we are looking for a candle to sweep the previous candle's high, and then the body closes below that high. All right, that's a liquidity sweep. So in this case, this is our second candle, and our second candle is going to be our single candle order block. So after sweeping that liquidity up there, this is not yet a single candle order block, because the market can still go back and then the candles maybe even start closing above there. All right, what you need is the third candle. Okay, so in this case you have this candle that closes above here with a full body candle. Okay, that's our third candle, meaning we now have a single candle order block right here. Okay, so now what you need after you have confirmed that this is a single candle order block, you don't just enter on this just because this has already been confirmed as a single candle order block, then you can just enter anywhere. No, you still need the market to react to that single candle order block. If this was on a 4-hour chart, you need maybe on the 15-minute chart, you need some sort of sell setup in this single candle order block. Okay, so that is what you are expecting. All right, now there are special situations. Okay, there are special. It's not always that the market just uh forms this single candle order block perfectly like this. All right, so this third candle, I don't want you to take it literally as it's always just the third candle that confirms this as a single candle order block. No, a third candle, when I say a third candle, I mean it in a case that any candle that confirms this candle as a single candle order block, I just call it as the third candle. Okay, because what's going to happen sometimes is this. Let me remove this. What's going to happen sometimes is this. The market can do something like this. Okay, something like that, and then you can see this candle. This is 1, 2, 3, but this one did not close above this candle's wick here with a full body. Okay, so this is not your third candle. Then another candle can form like this. You may have another candle like this. Okay, yeah, so you still don't have a third candle. In short, this one is not a single candle order block just yet. You still need to wait for that third candle to form. And what I mean by, since you already have these candles, okay, so the lowest candle that we have here, it's not this one. Now you are looking at this lowest. This is the low that you are looking at. So in short, you need a candle that is going to close below this candle's low here with a full body. Okay, so when you have a candle that is going to form at least like this, okay, maybe something like this, to the downside. All right, then this is going to be your third candle. Okay, so when I say third candle, just think of it as a confirmation candle. Okay, this candle is the one that has confirmed this as a single candle order block. Okay, now if this candle closed here, if it closed here, some of you are already thinking that, okay, since it has already closed with a full body candle below this low here, then it's going to be considered as a single candle order block. No, this is just liquidity sweep. Okay, this is just liquidity sweep. You need this candle to form, this full body candle to be formed below the lowest wick here. Okay, below this lowest wick here, then you have yourself a single candle order block right here. So those are just some of the things that you need to take into consideration. Do not rush for you to just mark single candle order blocks. When you are wrong, you definitely pay a hefty price. So you have to make sure you pay attention to these very small details. Very small details. So a single candle order block that forms in this form compared to this one can even have a fair value gap above there. But for this one, you can clearly tell, here, there's no fair value gap here. Okay, but still you need the market to react to that. Maybe to go down and then come back, react to this single candle order block. Okay, and then go to wherever it was going. All right, now let's go to the real chart. All right, so on the real chart, this is the GBP USD, the 4-hour chart. Okay, so you can, even before I point them out, you can clearly see some of the single candle order blocks. So with single candle order blocks, you just need to expect some form of reaction to that single candle order block. Okay, now when you are drawing these single candle order blocks, you also need to consider structure mapping. Okay, you don't want to be on the wrong side of the market when you are drawing these single candle order blocks, because sometimes they'll just act as inducement. All right, but in this video I just want to show you how you can identify these single candle order blocks. So starting from the top here, you can clearly see this one right here. Okay, let's just start with this one. So you can clearly see this previous candle's high was taken out, and then this candle dropped. So this first candle, this is our first candle, this is the second, and then this is the third, which is the what, the confirmation candle. This candle confirmed this other candle as a single candle order block. So when you draw this one out like that, when you put it like that and then just draw it out, it doesn't matter how long it takes for the market for price to retest that single candle order block. You just need to be aware that there's a single candle order block somewhere. Okay, so here there was a small reaction to that single candle order block. This is a 4-hour chart, so this small reaction on lower time frames is very big. So these single candle order blocks can also act as bias. All right, So if we go down again, you can clearly see this other candle here. Now this candle, like I said, it's a 3 candle pattern. Now you can clearly see this is the first candle whose high was taken out there, but this next candle was just an inside candle, even this one, until this candle came through. So this is our third candle, which is our confirmation candle. Okay, if you draw out this one also like that, you can see here. So after this candle confirmed our single candle order block, this one just came, opened, and then reacted to it, and then started running to the downside. Sometimes the reactions are too fast. You just need to be able to catch them as fast as possible. Okay, so if you look down here again, this one is also a single candle order block, but this one was not confirmed as a single candle order block by this one or this one or this one. It was confirmed by this candle right here. So if you look closely, like I said, a third candle does not always just pop up immediately after this candle takes out the previous candle's high there. Okay, it takes some time. Some candles will just be taking liquidity and then close within, take liquidity, close within. This was just an inside bar until this candle closed with a full body candle down below these lows here. I hope you can see this was the lowest here. This was the lowest low right here. Okay, but this body closed below that low, so you need to pay attention to these small details. All right, so this is our single candle order block. If you draw it out like that, all these candles were just reacting to that. So if you just pay attention also, you can tell just after this was confirmed as a single candle order block, this is when all these candles started now reacting. Okay, all this time they were just dropping here until this was confirmed as a single candle order block, then they just started reacting to that single candle order block. So maybe this looks like consolidation here, but on lower time frames you can actually take trades that you'll be even profitable with. Okay, all right, the next one that I can see is this one. This one was an immediate confirmation by this candle because this candle closed just below there. Okay, so you can see here, right there, right there. Okay, so this just confirmed this as a single candle, and then these just reacted to it and then dropped. Okay, now when we reach our, this is our swing low here. Okay, and I can tell that the market was going to the upside here. If you look at the daily, there was something going on here, but today we are not doing the daily bias. You can check it out yourself if you want. Yeah, so here now we are looking for, here we are looking for bearish single candle order blocks. Now when we start going to the upside, we are looking for bullish single candle order blocks. You can clearly see this one is a single candle order blocks. It was confirmed by this one here. Okay, so when we draw this one out like that, okay, you can clearly see the market was just reacting to it and then going to the upside again. We don't even have to go that further. Here you can see, if you just pay attention, this one cleared out the previous candle's low, and then the other candle closed with a full body candle above. This other candle just dropped, reacted to it, and then went to the upside. Okay, then we start going. This one also, this one is also a single candle order block. even if it was violated here, it was not completely violated because this candle did not close with a full body candle below this single candle order block. This was confirmed as a single candle order block by this green candle. If we draw it out like that, like this, okay, like this, you can see this candle closed above this candle's wick. So this was confirmed as a single candle order block. So this is why I say don't just enter just because the market has reacted to that single candle order block. Okay, because another candle can go through and then clear this candle's low but not close below that low. Okay, so you need to put that into consideration. Okay, these are inside candles. This is not a single candle order block because they are inside this candle here. These are small details that you need to be paying attention to, guys, when you are looking at the market. If you say this, these are inside bars. These are inside bars. Okay, you need to pay attention to these things. Don't just enter just because you want to enter. Okay, so let's just move. I don't know if I can see. Oh, okay, there's one here, this one right here. Okay, which was confirmed by this candle. I think even the no, it was confirmed by this long candle here. Okay, and then the market came back, reacted to it, and then jumped. Okay, so it's not always that the market reacts to a single candle order block, but it reacts to it a lot, a lot. Okay, so this was a single candle order block which was completely taken out here, but look at this, look at what was happening. Okay, so don't just enter just because the market is in a single candle order block. You still need some sort of a buying setup if you are trying to buy. The market just came through, cleared out the liquidity, but the bodies were not closing below this single candle order block. Okay, so you need to pay attention to these small details. Here you have another single candle order block right here. Okay, this one was confirmed as a single candle order block by this candle here which closed above there. Okay, the market went up, came back, and then swooped to the upside. All right, so guys, you can use your own charts. This is I like using this one because it's what I trade. Okay, so you can use your own charts. Try to just identify a few things here and there. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section, or you can just DM me on Telegram right there. I'm still available. All right, if you've made it this far, please thank you for watching. Until next time, happy trading.